That's going to turn it on. Look at how much light it adds to the area. So this is my workout area. This is with the lights off, and this is with the lights on. This is amazing, looks so nice. Oh, and welcome to another video. Today I have these LED light strips. These come in packaged like this. These have adhesive strips on the back, so you can just stick them wherever you want. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it works. So you can buy these in different color temperatures. I ended up buying the 2700K color temperature. This is a 32 feet one in the box. You have all the supplies to make the light strip work. So you have the adapter and the Ziploc. You should have everything you need. You have connectors, so whenever you cut it to whatever size you need, you can connect it here. This goes into the adapter like so. If you want to connect it directly, if you want to use the remote and stuff like that, you can use this one. So this one allows you to add a remote and the power and the up and down for the brightness. And the back, this one also has an adhesive strip, so you can stick it to the wall if you want it as a permanent spot on the wall. In here, you have an LED controller manual. So it'll kind of walk you through what you can control. So for example, for the remote that's in the wire, you can just control the brightness. With the remote controller though, you can control a lot more things. You can control the fade, you can control the timer. All right, so let's go ahead and see how to set it up. The user manual walks you through how to set it up. As far as connecting it to the power, all you have to do is connect this here, connect this to the adapter, and you're ready to use. This wire off of the reel here, and we can start putting it on the wall wherever I want to do it. So this is just shipping packaging so that it doesn't unravel during shipping. On the back here, this blue strip is the protector for the adhesive, which is what you're going to peel before you stick it to the wall. On the other side, this is the LED lights. These are the LED lights. So down here, as you can see, there's a little step up in the ceiling here. This side of the room has no overhead lights except for that battery when I put on. So my plan is to put a LED light strip up and over and around both sides to give this area some light. So let's go ahead and put it on and see how it looks. So before we stick anything, you want to use a towel to wipe off the area of any dust and stuff like that so that the adhesive sticks. Plugging it into the wall for the first time. This is what it looks like. Remote, you can use it on and off like that. That's going to put it to 25%, 50%, 100%. And we can put it on the fade setting where it's going to fade up and down. That's going to put it on solid 25%. You can set a timer to 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. And you can clear the timer by hitting the C. Let's go ahead and turn it off while we're setting it up. We're going to unplug it. So for me, for example, if I was going quite far from where the outlet is, I would unravel this wire, but I am only going this far where I don't need to unravel my wire. So I'm going to leave it as is. I'm just going to pull one loop out, but you do want to have some leeway so that you're not starting your light at a random spot. I'd like to start it right at the angle of the wall. So that's what we're going to do. So again, we're going to wipe the area clean. And let's go ahead and take off some of this adhesive and start taping it in place. So it's pretty easy. You're just going to tape it like so. And just so that I am making sure I like the way it looks, I'm going to turn it on, and that's perfect. Look at how nice it looks. So I'm going to put it all the way around and show you how it looks. I'm halfway through installation, and this is what it looks like. Look at how cool that is. Okay, I have it all installed. You can see it all the way around the corner, and then I've stopped right there. So I have to cut the excess off. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what it looks like. Look at that. Look at how cool that looks. And you can cut it wherever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it right where the bump out ends. I'm gonna cut right there. All right. Now with that cut right there, let's see how it turns on, and you can still see the light coming all the way to the edge. This is the leftover light strip. You can just strip these wires, throw it in here, and then use an adapter to use this as a separate light strip as well. So nothing goes to waste. Okay, so our light strip is completely installed here. You can kind of see it right there, but it's well hidden. That's going to turn it on. Look at how much light it adds to the area. So this is my workout area. This is with the lights off, and this is with the lights on. This is amazing. It looks so nice. Let's look at it from the other side. So when I'm over here, now you can see that that area is well lit. This is off, this is on. Really happy with how it turned out. These are some amazing light strips for a really good price. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.